a little bit more.
Right, right. A little more creativity like we've been talking about.
So here we go with the second one. JC Tal, very creative without his shoes. The first time, this time he's got it laced up.
Uy, saan galing to? Uy, all the way from the stands! And it was Josh Orbistondo throwing it all the way from up and away. Nagulat ako dun, ha? Pati tayo ginulat dito sa loob ng Ilocos Norte Centennial Arena.
I like that, John. See, it's creative. I like it because you
And then-
threw the ball away. You're like, what is he doing? And then I'm proud of him.
Plus the level of difficulty. Because you are putting trust dun sa teammate mo na magbibigay ng pasang yun.
Ito mo naman from out of nowhere, lahat tayo hindi natin alaman. Akala natin, isa sa mga fan yung kanyang nautusang pumasa. Yung pala si Orbistondo yung nandun sa ibabaw. What timing from the passer and JC Tal. Iba yung wala kayong eye contact eh. Because Orbistondo actually came from behind. So